everyone, Miss Record here. I'm going to show you guys how to do, it's called a foldable surprise, but it's a mask or mask self-portrait surprise. And then when you open it up, it's your face without a mask. You can do it both. And then you can add words that describe yourself. So you're going to need a regular piece of paper. I would use copy paper. If you have notebook paper, that's okay too. And then you're gonna fold it in half. That's called a hamburger fold, not a hot dog fold. Then you're gonna take the top, the page closest to you, and you're gonna fold that down. And then you're gonna fold that down again. So then when you open it up, it will have 4 horizontal rectangles. So I'm going to do the eyes first. So in the middle of your paper, it's right there, and then I'm gonna do 2 frowny face lines, and these are going to be the eyelids. So frowny face line or a rainbow line, and then lines across. You can stop this at any point since it's not live, and if I'm going too fast. And then you're going to do not a full circle, but not a half circle. So that's the pupil of the eye, and then the iris is the circle. And then I'm gonna color just kind of part of that in. You can color the whole thing in, or actually I'll just go ahead and color the whole thing. And then you can give it eyelashes, if we all have eyelashes, to protect our eyes. Sometimes when you add eyelashes, it makes it look kind of feminine, but. And then eyebrows. Just kind of 2 skinny lines over. Now, you're gonna draw the top of the head, so you're gonna do a rainbow line all the way around. And then I'm gonna do the top of the ears, so a backward C and a C shape. Now your hair, if you have curly hair, you would do curly lines, but you're going to want to do the hair above. And it's okay if it goes off the page. If you have bangs, you would do those in the front. Now you're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna draw, so we said that there's 4 rectangles. So the second rectangle, I'm gonna draw a line, a little just line, and that's going to be the bottom of the chin. So then you're going to want to do the face, like a big smiley face or a watermelon. And I'm drawing this in Sharpie. I would prefer you draw it with pencil in case you mess up. Now, I'm gonna finish the ears. I'm gonna just do a little simple nose, just a frowny face line. And then you can draw your teeth. Now if you want to do a smile with teeth, you're missing any teeth, you could blacken out the teeth. If you want to add a tongue or you want to make the mouth a different way, that's fine. And then I'm going to finish the hair. I have kind of shorter hair. It's kind of a zigzag line. And then the neck, we're just going to do 2 lines that go down vertically and then just kind of connect that right there. So we're not going to add clothes and all that stuff. We don't have room. Okay, so that's that part. And then to finish out the part with the mask, I'm gonna do kind of the same. You'll, fold that back up so that one piece that's blank is in the front. And then you're gonna finish out now we would finish out the ears. I don't know, you can probably hear the construction. I've said before, they're doing construction on the library. So when you wear your mask, you're covering your mouth and your nose, or you're supposed to be. So we're gonna do another kind of a frowny line. And so you're not gonna see right here, and I know it kind of looks like a duck, but you're not gonna see your nose or your mouth, like I just said. Now you wanna add details. You wanna do, like on mine, on this one, I did flowers and I colored it in. Let's say this one, I wanna do stripes. Oops. And then I'm gonna add the little line for the neck. So we have our mask, and then ta-da, we have our not masked face. Now, what I do want you to do is I want you to add things that describe you. I did 5. I did kind, happy, funny, thoughtful, awesome. If you can't think of anything, then ask your family. And another thing is, if you want to do this for a family member and you don't want to do a self-portrait and you want to do a portrait of someone else and give that to them, you can. This is something you could mail to someone. And so yeah, you're just going to add just different, you can do the bubble letters like we did last week. And I'm going to say this again. I would recommend doing it in pencil, but I'm doing Sharpie because I've practiced. And you're just going to do different words to describe yourself. And I would do 4 or 5. And then you can add, like I added here, you can add details like just different little designs to kind of fill in your space, kind of doodles. And then you can also add them here too. And then you can color it in. I didn't color mine with markers. I colored mine with crayons, and I just kind of lightly colored everything in. I didn't color too dark, but yeah, the skin, skin tone you can do, and then I would leave the whites of the eyes and then your teeth white, and you can leave like the background white, and I just kind of colored it in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I would love to see if you want to post anything that you've made. You're welcome to post it to the Flipgrid, which is on one of the slides. So I hope you guys had fun.